Hey.
Nice. Okay. Nice, go. I hope you guys are gonna like it. Wow. Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are going to do Via Ferrata Strobel, which is this one. It's in Cortina de Ampezzo and we are gonna climb about 900 meters. Anyways, see you guys on the Ferrata. Okay. Okay. Damn.
It is very high.
Nice. I hope you guys are gonna like it. Okay. We have nice views and a huge drop. Could you say it's exposed?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Just use your hands. Okay, nice. Whew. Nice. Nice, go. Oh. Okay. Okay, the rock is really bad on this side. It's just like Piazzetta. See?
Yeah.
Hey. By the way, if you like what we post and what we do, please comment, share and subscribe. It's gonna help us a lot, right? This was not easy.
Are you freezing? I don't like it.
I have to get some clothes on because it's starting to get a bit cold. Okay. Whoa. Let's go. Nice, huh?
Hey.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I hate those. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. We can go.
Okay. It's slippery here also.
Okay.
Ay.
And guys, if you have any ideas or more recommendations on Via Ferratas we should try, leave a comment down below. I'm probably gonna do it. Yeah. So for now, all I have to say about this Via Ferrata is that the start is really easy, right? When you go to that section, it's really easy. But this last section with the last climb, it's pretty interesting. I wouldn't say it's hard. No, it's not hard, but you do need to be really fit to do this. And the rock is really slippery, so careful, okay? 4 hours in, guys. 4 hours. Wow. Last section. Let's go. We made it, guys. Yeah. And that's Cortina d'Ampezzo, right? It took us about 4 hours and 37 minutes to climb all the way up here, and the altitude for this one is 2,240 meters high. All I have to say about this Via Ferrata, so it's a BC Via Ferrata. I thought it was quite weird, a lot of interruptions, I could say, along the way. You have cable, then you hike, you have cable, then you hike, you have cable, then you hike. The climbing is really easy. I would say it's beginner friendly. The last part, it's a bit more technical and a bit of exposure here and there. You should try, man. Yeah, that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. And if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, @Adrian_official. Thanks. And if you want to sponsor us, DM us on Instagram. That's it, guys. Take care, and I hope you like this one. See ya.
Open.
See? This is Romanian. Like us. Okay.
A battery.